I'm gonna show you a really quick basic cut on my cute nephew. It's his very first dance date. Sorry, am I embarrassing you? I'm gonna start with a 1 guard, click it on your clippers. We're going to go up about 1.5 inches above the ears. Remember to use your left hand. He keeps wanting to like chat, and I'm like, get your head down. Use that left hand to control their head. I just moved my clipper or my guard so it's a 1.5, and now I'm just going to start doing the little rocking away from the head, because now we want to blend this into the top part. I've done the clipper part. Now I'm going to get this top really, really wet, and I'm just going to do the middle mohawk section. So he always pushes it over to this side, but I'm just going to cut it straight across because it's not like he has like a big, he just does like a brush over. A brush up is what we like to call it with the haircut box. So see how I'm just doing a middle section right down there. Then I'm going to pull everything up, and I'm just going to take a little bit off the top. I still want to keep enough that he can style it really cool. So I'm going to match everything to that first cut. Then once I create this guide, then I'm going to push it over to one side, and I'm going to match basically all of the top hair to this first cut. Now we've done the top part with scissors, the side part with the clippers. Now we're going to blend both together. We're going to put our comb in, use our clippers, keep your comb straight up, and you just see how this comb is just traveling up. And you're going to stop cutting when you run out of hair. See right here? No more hair to cut. Then that means I move on to the next section. And then you're just going to go all the way around the head, perfecting this blend. Okay, he's got really great thick hair. See how awesome that hair is? Now all we're gonna do right here on this ridge, there's not a line, but you can tell that it's a little bit thicker, obviously because there's more hair. The more hair, the thicker it looks. And so we're just going to take our texturing shears. If the hair was longer, I would grab the hair and take care of it this way, but see how it's so short, I can't grab it with my fingers, so I'm going to put my comb in, and just right here, I'm going to take a few little snips with my texturing shears, and this is just going to make a pretty freaking good blend, especially right here. If they push it over, sometimes this gets to be a thick spot. I usually like to do a few hits with the texturing shears right there. Last thing we have to do is the outline. Remember, we're going to go straight down with your trimmers. You're going to pull the ear out, come up along the ear, make a half circle right there, and then bend the ear forward. Push the head down to make this skin tight. You want to follow that. You're going to make a line, and then you're going to turn your trimmers around and use this part and get all of that fuzzy hair off their neck.